Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're showcasing the Kanex Multi-Sync Premium Slim Keyboard for Mac and iOS. It also is Bluetooth technology enabled, has Backlit Keyboard, and it can sync between 4 Bluetooth devices. It includes a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about finding AAA batteries or AA batteries for this one. So we'll show you here. You use the function key and you can switch between uno, dos, tres, cuatro devices. Up to 4 devices with this keyboard. Take a look at the edges here. They're chamfered edges. This looks like a solid piece of aluminum right here. And now how do the keys feel, right? So that's important. Has some clicky sound, not too loud. So you could effectively use this in a home office since we're all pretty much home-based now. Even the space bar provides enough sound and enough feedback. There's also a pretty good amount of travel. We like all the keys. Here's the key for turning on the backlight right here. So these are backlit around and underneath as well. We like that a lot. And here's some function keys at the top of the keyboard to control for your computer or your wireless device. And then you have 3 different LEDs to show you status right here. This is from a company called Kanex. You find it on Amazon or even in stores as well. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.